Okay guys, so I am back again. So basically I did not even film anything because hold up. Oh my gosh. Oil surges above $100 as Middle East war escalates. That can't be right. No way. Okay, global oil prices have surged with Brent crude briefly exceeding $100 per barrel. No, I didn't know what to. Oh, that can't. So oil prices must have surged through the temporarily per barrel. Are you serious right now? No, that's not true. Are you trying to be a little stupid? And what in the world? Oh my gosh. Texas Panhandle hit by strongest quake in 100 years? No way. That's literally insane. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is the earthquake? What type of earthquake? Near Miami, Texas. Amarillo? Nope. Amarillo. No. It's hard to pronounce it. No. Oklahoma City and Tulsa. No. This is freaking outrageous. The outrageous earthquake. Can barely see. Including the United States Geological Survey. No. Oh my goodness. It's almost been 100 years since the quake devastating hit between the intense light shaking in the quick atmosphere. No. I don't want to even see this type of damn stuff. No. Well, anyways, let's go to some Groovepad stuff and we can get started already. Oh. House therapy? No, I don't have enough time to even film that. No. We need to film Trap Renaissance. Oh my goodness. Mackenzie, you look so ugly in your dress. What happened to you? Your stomach is showing. Your stomach is showing. No. Oh. No. Get this. I hate ads. Alright guys, it's time to do Trap Renaissance and we'll do more songs coming soon later. And let's get to it. So here we go. Here are the lessons. Yeah. Let's just start with lesson 1. Alright. What the hell? I don't even like this man. Huh. Let's just get to it. Here is when you press start on the sound pad, which includes the loops. And here we go. So, technically, I just aced this process between my limits and my spare rituals. Gosh. Okay. So, lesson 2. My stomach is hurting really bad, you guys. Oh, no. Alright. So, we get to move on to lesson 3. I am ready to go for it. Let's just give it a try. Here we go. What are you doing in here? I don't know. I just got away with some little temporarily bad luck of my bad behaviors lately. I don't know. But your hair's kind of crazy, Mackenzie. Yeah. We finally finished the 3rd lesson, and now it's time to go to lesson 4. Okay, I have my total luck on this one. We need to do this more consecutively. Well, clearly, we do more consecutively. And Groovepad is actually an easy to use app to critically do parts of your critical thinking and learning how to make your beats properly, including sound pads, especially your little loops that go through and they go around it.
Listen to the Chevy Equinox.
Alright, so lesson 5. Oh my gosh. Clearly, I was not restraining myself by precisely acting bad, though. No. You literally can institute your bad thoughts? No, I can't. No, I can't. Anyways, lesson 5 is complete, and now it's time for lesson 6. Oh, I'm getting sweaty. Here we go. Do you see that? I honestly try to tap on these little beats in order to make it a lot easier to do. And that's for sure, probably, yeah. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, this is gonna take a long time to try to progress this, to be more aggressive. Honestly, I don't have the footage of my life. Well, lesson 7. Oh my god. How did you? What the hell? Because I'm so worried. Not anybody else. But you better worry about yourself right now. I gotta go hide somewhere else. I don't know where to hide. Darn. Oh my god, I don't know where to hide. Oh yeah, I gotta stay in my closet. Oh my god. This is gonna take our work. Oh man. Alright. Let's just do the 8th lesson. Here we go. Oh yeah. Well, apparently I don't have any radical footage of this one, and it's basically a unique way to describe your own language or whatever. But yeah. Okay, lesson 9, and then the last one. Okay, that was a slight chance beat drop. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, that was pretty cool, isn't it? Yes. Alright, last lesson. Lesson 10. I'm getting pretty sweaty. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I could make a song from your weirdest
Actually,
idea.
no.
Describe the song in a few words.
AI
Pick a
song
genre
maker?
and move.
Oh no, I'm not making songs from AI song maker. No, don't you dare. Yes, I finally finished all the lessons, 10 through 10. Yay! And now we get to move on to some more songs coming soon. And now it is D&B Storm. Okay. Broken Bounce, Glamorous EDM, and more coming your way. Okay. Well, we're about to close out the video. Well, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what your favorite song on Groovepad will be. Bye!